System components.
The first section of this training course aims to familiarize you with all the components of the Raupiano Plus drainage system.
Raupiano Plus can be used in various applications. This includes its primary function as an acoustic drainage system, as well as gravity wastewater, rainwater drainage, and for greasy trade waste. Raupiano Plus can be used in buildings and in ground. The base material of the pipes and fittings is polypropylene. The standard sizes available are 40, 50, 75, 110 and 160 millimetres. The push-fit system makes use of a rubber ring within the push-fit socket. Raupiano Plus pipes are technologically advanced and are comprised of 3 distinct layers. The outer layer is made from an impact-resistant polypropylene material. The middle layer is a high-density mineral-reinforced polypropylene layer that reduces vibrations caused by sound energy. The smooth inner layer is made from abrasion-resistant polypropylene. Its low coefficient of friction makes it difficult for particles in the wastewater to adhere to it. These 3 layers work in harmony to create a lightweight pipe with excellent acoustic properties. The pipes are available in 250, 500, 1000 and 3000 millimetre lengths for ease of installation. Raupiano Plus fittings are also manufactured from high-density mineral-reinforced polypropylene with targeted mass optimisation. This is apparent from the characteristic swept profile of the bends. The impact area has increased wall thickness to absorb and dissipate sound energy, resulting in greater noise reduction. There is a wide range of fittings at your disposal, including bends, branches and reducers. There are also market-specific fittings, specifically manufactured for the Australian-New Zealand market, such as PVC adapters and swept bends. Sharp bends are classified as elbows in the Australian and New Zealand standards and should not be used for drainage. The range expands year to year based on feedback and requirements from Rehau authorised installers. Another fitting developed for the Australian-New Zealand market is the floor waste gully. This fitting is extremely compact and combines the function of a 3-way riser with a 75 mm water trap. It is compatible with a 100 mm floor grate and also has a removable baffle, making it easy to clean. As with the rest of the Raupiano Plus system, the unit does not require any acoustic lagging. The specific set of installation instructions in the Raupiano Plus technical information should be reviewed prior to installation. The Raupiano Plus system also consists of accessories such as brackets, securing clips for the socket plugs, as well as the push-fit lock. The push-fit lock increases the joint integrity and can withhold up to 20 metres of head. The mounting brackets are particularly important components of the Raupiano Plus system. There are 3 types of brackets available. Guiding brackets have a green rubber inlay. They can be installed in the horizontal or vertical direction and are installed loose on the pipe. They allow the pipe to move to accommodate thermal expansion and contraction. Fixing brackets have a black rubber inlay and have ribs on the inside. They are usually installed in the horizontal direction behind the pipe socket and are tight fitting on the pipe. These brackets prevent the horizontal movements of the pipe. They are also used as security brackets in vertical stacks to prevent the stack from moving up. Sound dampening brackets are actually formed from 2 brackets. The top bracket is installed tight on the pipe and is not connected to the wall. The bottom bracket is installed loose on the pipe and is connected to the wall. This bracket decouples the pipe vibration within the stack from the building. We will further break down the planning and installing of support brackets in a separate section.